Hi everybody, Maria Kleczka here with the Kleczka Group, and today we're going to be viewing the Stonewater Grand model here at Webb Bexley. The Stonewater model is the largest model offered here at Webb Bexley. It features 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, as well as an office and a formal dining room. Starting at just over 2,800 square feet, you also have the option to add an upstairs loft, which features a full bathroom, another bedroom, as well as a huge bonus room. What I love most about this house is that it features one of the tallest ceilings in the entire community. So I believe they start at about 12 feet. You also have the option for tray ceilings, which are beautiful. Starting price on this home is $404,000. So here are a few more pictures to enjoy the Stonewater model here at Webb Bexley. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful home with us here in Webb Bexley. And be sure to check out our video library because there are other model tours in there that may be of interest to you. Look, if you've been dreaming about a move someday to a maintenance-free luxury resort living community, we understand you have questions and we're here to help. Check out our contact information below and call us because we're here to guide you through all of your options because your someday starts today.